In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text to a PDF in Microsoft Edge. By the end, you'll be able to quickly place clean, readable text anywhere on a PDF and save your changes with confidence. First, open your File Explorer and locate the PDF you want to edit. It might be in your Downloads, Documents, or a Project folder. Make sure the file isn't open in another app so Edge can access it without issues. Next, open the PDF in Microsoft Edge. The easiest way is to right-click the file, choose Open With, and select Microsoft Edge. If you already have Edge open, you can also drag the PDF straight into an Edge window to load it instantly. Once the PDF opens, look to the top toolbar and click the Add Text icon. It often looks like a capital T. This tool allows you to place plain text anywhere on the page, which is perfect for adding notes, filling non-interactive forms, or correcting small details. Click on the exact spot in the PDF where you want your text to appear. Edge will create a text box, and you can start typing right away. Take a moment to type carefully. It's easier to get it right now than to fix typos later. Above the text box, you'll see a floating formatting menu. Use this to customize your entry so it blends neatly with the document. Adjust size to make the text fit the space naturally. Smaller for tight fields, larger for headings or callouts. Choose a color that matches the document or stands out where needed. Options include black for a standard look, red for emphasis, blue for professional notes, and dark green for a subtle highlight. If the lines don't quite match up, tweak the spacing setting to align your text with existing fields or lines so it looks clean and intentional. If the placement isn't perfect, click and drag the text box to reposition it. You can drag from the box itself to nudge it into place. If you change your mind, click the trash can icon in the formatting menu to remove that text box completely and start over. When you're satisfied, it's time to save. Click the Save icon, the floppy disk, in the top toolbar to overwrite the original PDF with your new text. If you'd rather keep the original unchanged, choose Save As and create a new version with a clear file name so you can tell them apart later. That's all there is to it. You've opened a PDF in Edge, added text exactly where you want it, customized the look, and saved your work.